Hello and welcome to an introduction to Google Classroom, a micro lesson by Michelle Best. So the learning goals: by the end of this lesson, participants will be able to create a Google Classroom LMS, explore components of the Google Classroom Learning Management System, stream classwork, people, and grades. So here we are at the Learning Management page, Google Classroom, the website classroom.google.com. And this is the private version. There's also a public or education version that your school board would have a license for. So there's two different versions, but they offer very much the same features. In order to start a classroom, you just have to create or join a class with this plus sign, and you can create your class from there. I've created a class for a workshop that I was working on called Let's Go Paperless. So let's take a look at the features. So the first thing you're going to see is the stream. Now, stream is a really great place to post a message for your students, and they get it automatically in their Gmail account. You can post it. You can also add, and this is a great feature about Google, you can add things from your Google Drive. You can add a link to a website. You can add a YouTube video. You can add a file, and you can post it. And the great thing also, you can edit your post, which is fantastic. I find this to be a feature that's missing and often in the Brightspace D2L, where you can't go back, and once you've posted something, it's sealed forever, and it's nice to be able to go back and edit it. This here is your list. It attaches to your Google Calendar, so you can easily post things on there and it will go into your calendar if you'd want it. You can have a to-do list of all the assignments. You can have archive classes. So there's a lot of different things you can do. The classwork is where you're going to post the units and assignment, and it's very simple. You click on create. You can click create an assignment. An assignment allows the participant to actually type directly on the screen. It's a shared document that's shared between the participant and the instructor. You can also create a very quick quiz or a longer quiz if you'd like. You can post a question that everyone can respond to. You can post materials like lesson materials that don't require interaction. They're just content materials like videos or what's not, and you can create new topics. So the topics I have here: Activity 1, Activity 2, Activity 3, Activity 4. It's very easy to move topics around to, I usually end up putting the one that we're working on currently at the top. And then I can also see, if I had a list of students, I could see the students here. I can invite students. They will need to have a Gmail account. I can invite other people to be teachers, but be careful with this, because once you invite someone as a teacher, they have all the access that you do. So they can see comments that you make to students. You can see your marking. You can see comments that people make to you. So for confidentiality, I would be very cautious about who you share as a teacher. And probably best to keep everyone in as a student. And here, once you've marked an assignment, it will keep track of the grades. So you can create rubrics right on Google Classroom, and you can mark, and it will keep track of the grades as well as on the to-do list. And here's the class drive folder where everything that's an assignment that's posted gets saved in this folder, and it's easy for you to go find it if you need to see the group of assignments together. Otherwise, you would just look at each student's thing. So here's a question, and then I have a video here, and then what's your name and where do you, that's the kind of thing. So that's about it. It's a great learning management system, and if you want to use it as a private person, it's free to use, and you can link to any of the Google applications that you need to. All right, have a great day.